Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to see the recipe how to make butter chicken. So let's look at the ingredients. 200 grams of tomatoes, 150 grams of onions, 2 tablespoons of butter for frying, 10 to 12 cashew nuts, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 bay leaf, 1 cinnamon, 3 cardamoms and 2 cloves, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of butter for richness, 1 teaspoon dried fenugreek leaves, half teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, half cup of thick cream. These are the ingredients for our gravy. So for marination, half kg of boneless chicken, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and required salt. Set aside the chicken for half an hour to 1 hour. So now let's start cooking. Into a pan, add the 2 tablespoons of butter. Leave it to melt. After that, add the chicken that is marinated for an hour, one by one. Mix well, unlike my brother who doesn't know how to mix. Keep stirring. Make sure the chicken is only cooked for 80% because we will cook it later. Keep stirring. This is the end result. Now, when we drain the butter, leave the butter in the pan for later use. This is how it looks after 80% of cooking. Now, using a pair of tongs, take the chicken out one by one, leaving the excess butter. Now that it's done, reduce the flame to about low. Slowly add the onions in. Stir well and let it to cook. Keep stirring till it becomes golden brown. Never let the spoon stay still. Keep mixing. This is how it looks after getting cooked. Now you add the garam masala. Mix. Mix well so that the masala goes to every onion. Now add the chili powder. Make sure this also goes to every onion. So right now it looks like a mess, but then later it will taste good, so don't worry. Add the tomatoes now. So the tomatoes take a bit longer to cook. So you can close the pan. Mix well before you do so. Okay, so now the tomatoes are cooked. This is how it looks. Mix now again. Continue mixing for about 1 to 2 minutes more. Now turn off the stove, cool it off, and then put it inside a blender. Grind it into a fine paste. Into a clean pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter. Leave it to melt. After it completely melts, add the bay leaf, 1 cinnamon, 3 cardamoms, and 2 cloves. Mix it. Now add the grinded paste. This is the consistency. So after this, mix well. Now add the cashew nuts. Mix well. Make sure it's all settled in. Now this is the consistency. Start adding the chicken. After adding the chicken, mix well again. Help it to sink in. So now this is the part where the 20% that's left will get cooked. So slowly the butter chicken is coming to form. Now you can add the sugar. Mix again. So you can see the butter chicken boiling. Now take the dried fenugreek leaves in your hands, crush it, and put it inside, like the way it is shown in this video. Make sure you crush the entire thing. Now mix again. Help it to all come together. Now you can add the thick cream. Make sure you add everything. Mix. So you can see the butter chicken is coming into lighter form. So this is the good thing. The color will come. Keep mixing. This is how it looks after it gets fully mixed. Now your butter chicken is ready. Please enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Click the bell to get notified every time we upload a new video. See you next week.